2018 Jeep Cherokee brandishes an exquisite cockpit, yet unusually hackneyed sheet metal renders that lodge a debatable issue. From Renegade to Grand Cherokee, Jeep recognizes what its past and its future resemble. It avoided an H with the Cherokee. Keep in mind the square-shaped XJ. Fashioners hurled out the tough playbook and slapped a WAN face on AMI2 hybrid body when they planned the most recent Cherokee. We'd give it a 6 for styling, with additional focuses for its inside and a docked point for its unusually worn-out body. How about we begin with the decent things, which implies turning our styling survey back to front. The Cherokee's lodge is dressed in fine design, smooth and not in the least truck-like. It's robed in oil subsidiaries, beyond any doubt. However, these plastics are picked and sorted out well, even shading coordinated to extraordinary palettes. Jeep envisions you may visit one day, from Morocco to Mount Kilimanjaro. You may know these hues essentially as dark-colored and dim. Jeep additionally shows a clear comical inclination to coordinate its material mindfulness. Planners attracted an old-school set of Jeeps in the modern stop-help screen, and scratched a little however superbly framed Jeep in the glass at the base of the windshield, where it handles a sensor as though it's going to trundle through Arches National Park. Remember those upbeat musings when you venture outside and take a gander at the Cherokee's savage grille. The wide, groomy bars are reversed here into thin body shading ribs trimmed in metallic plastic. The headlights are broken into LED running lights at high brow level, the headlights themselves sunk further into the face. Where's the square-jawed Jeep that freed us from egg-molded hybrids for a considerable length of time? This is a face that seems as though it woke up 5 minutes previously its wake-up timer, and still can't get over it, hours into the day. From the nose on back, the Cherokee should be a Santa Fe Sport or CRV. It's regular past the pale, with none of the ageless standard interest of the present Grand Cherokee.